Pardon me. Ah, what an occasion. I love it. Make way. I got it. Throw it. Whoa.
Hey, why didn't you invite me to the beach?
Oops, sorry, Susie. I got carried away a bit.
Having fun, huh? Can I join you now?
Sure. I was about to drink hot chocolate with marshmallows. Look how cute they are.
Guys, do you want to make these yourselves? Then don't go anywhere. We'll show you everything now. Hi, everyone, and welcome to Sue's cooking show.
And her best helper, Sam! A round of applause!
Let's start making the molds. We'll mix almond flour and powdered sugar.
Let me see closely what this is. Ouch! Careful there! Have this egg. We need just the white.
Aye, aye, chef. Now we'll mix everything.
I'll do it.
No, here, take this spoon.
Thanks. La 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 la. Hey, wait! I'm not done yet.
The dough is ready. Now we'll knead it properly to make it even.
What a huge marshmallow! We really need a big cocoa cup for this.
Sammy, we'll make a lot of small marshmallows from this piece of dough.
I want a piece too. Thanks.
Friends, do you like the dough molding? If yes, give a thumbs up.
Sue, I can't do it like you. Nothing works out.
It's okay. All marshmallows can be different. It's more fun like that. See?
Cool, look what I got.
I guess it's you.
Yeah!
We'll put our molds into the fridge now. For the next step, we're gonna need a tray filled with cornstarch.
Ew, it's chilly in the fridge. What is it? What's going on? Here, take a bigger whisk.
Thanks. Hey, I can draw here. Huh?
Sue, how much longer should we wait?
Oops, sorry guys, I got carried away. Take the mold carefully using a toothpick.
Where are you taking it, Sue?
It's okay, Sammy. Every mold should leave its print.
Then I want to do it too. I'll be a starch slime.
Sammy, don't make a mess.
Okay, I won't do that again. La 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 la. Oh, water! I just wanted to take a bath! Ouch! Sue, why is it so cold?
Because it's not for your bathing, Sam, but for the gelatin. We'll put it in the cold water.
Right! Gelatin has to swell and the water will help it.
It's not fast, so let's wait a bit.
I'll take it to my laboratory. Let's go!
In the meantime, we will prepare the ingredients for marshmallows. We'll need quite a lot of sugar. Oop! And some water, like this.
Glucose syrup too! First, promise me that I'll be the first to taste our marshmallows. Huh? Go, go! Friends, you need to do it carefully.
Ask an adult to turn on the cooker.
So, can I stir it now? I even brought the spatula.
Right on time. Everything's boiling and we'll stir the thing for a couple of minutes.
I can't wait that long.
Wait, I'll speed up. Yep, all is ready. Now we can pour our mixture into the bowl. Careful.
Pour it all! Don't miss a drop!
Yeah. I need the gelatin now.
What? What is it? Ah, right! I'll bring it now! Here you go, Sue! Looks like it's really swollen!
Let's wring it out then. All right, no more extra water.
Come on, put it into the sugar! Hurry!
Now we need a mixer. Hop. Let's mix our substance really good now.
Mix it better, Sue! We need to get a fluffy foam!
Hey, is it broken?
I unplugged it because everything is ready! Whoa! Take that thing away! It looks like a fluffy cloud! I have to dig in!
Hey, it's too early. If you eat it all now, we'll have less marshmallows. What then? Plus, we need to color everything as well.
And you were telling me that just now? Whee! Bravo! What a performance!
We start mixing the colors. First comes the purple. Just a drop, and here we go!
Wow, wow, wow! I want to try that too! Aha! What did Sue say? Just a drop and then… Whoa! Yep. Now mix it all! Sue, I'm done!
Great job, Sammy. Shall we make more colors now? And the last one. Awesome!
And we are done here! What's next?
Now we'll add all our colors to the pastry bags. Let's fix it on a dish to make it stable. Like this. And we'll start with this one. Try not to spill anything.
That would be cool though! A colorful rain in the kitchen!
Oh yeah? Want a rain? You'll have one!
I'm singing in the rain, I'm singing in the…
Okay, the rain is over for today. We're moving on to the next stage, making the fluffy marshmallows.
But we just have shapes here. How shall we… Ah!
Want to be a marshmallow?
No way! I disapprove, Sue! Cut it out!
It's a joke, Sammy. Now look, I'll squeeze the mixture into the mold.
Ooh, looks cute! Sue, let's use another color!
No problem. Watch me. The shape is also different this time.
Okay, we have yellow, we have pink. Sue, we need blue!
Hey, don't you want to help?
No, Sue, you can do it yourself.
Okay.
Oh, you are all awesome! Sue, do you think they are happy?
We'll check it now.
They look so cheerful! Don't forget about that one! And the other one! Oh, finally! I'll try one while Sue is not looking. Like that. Come to me! Hup. I
Sammy.
didn't plan this!
But you're right. We need to cover our marshmallows with the starch.
Uh-oh! How am I gonna get them? I don't get it!
Think harder.
Archaeology will help. Like this.
Huh?
I'll brush this one a bit. Here it is! Sue, this is fun!
We'll take the marshmallow out, shake it, and voila! See how easy it is? Now repeat.
Whee! I'm gonna get some milk and you can check them out once more!
Here we go! These look super yummy! Did you like cooking with us today, fellows?
Then give us a thumbs up and let's see what happens next! Wow, Sue, shall we try the other colors too? Go on, here's another cup!
Sammy, are you sure? When are we gonna eat all this?
Okay, Sue! Hup. Now we can eat!
Guys, this was so tasty and fun. Try that too and subscribe to our channel.
May the marshmallow force be with you!